Please stop. Don't trade today until you see this. I bet Jesus everyone is there. Let's break the market down for you. Happy New Week. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Wherever the time zone you are connecting from, you already know what we do. What we do in this and in this chat in this platform and in this channel. All we focus on trading and any other skills you are doing. Happy New Week. This week is going to give favor us, and we are going to be a profitable and successful trader in this journey. Let's quickly go into the chart and see what we have in the chart. Let's see our analysis. Before we go into the chart, let's see maybe there is high impact news on Forex Factory. This is Forex Factory, and today is Monday, May 18th, and this is what we are having. There is no high impact news, which means there is no fear in the market. For the fear inside the market is the war that is happening, the US war and Iran war that is happening. So let's quickly go into the chart and let's see the opportunity markets created for us in the chart. This is gold. This is what is happening in gold. For monthly time frame, we start from monthly time frame. You already know Monday is for weekly and monthly. Monday is for weekly and daily analysis. We started from monthly time frame to see the direction of the market, and you can see for the direction of the market we have uptrend, and this is an uptrend market. For monthly time frame, this is general overview. Let's move to weekly time frame. This is weekly time frame, and this is what we are having on weekly time frame. You can see we are in uptrend, but let's quickly plotted our key level. Let's see what is happening. This is what is happening. This is our key level. This is our key level. This is our key level here. This is our key level here. This is our key level. You can see this is where the market. This is the market, and this is our key level also. You can see, and this is our key level also. This is what we are having on weekly time frame, and this you can see this is what weekly time frame is giving us. This is an uptrend market. So let's quickly move into daily time frame. Since we have plotted our key level on weekly time frame, and we have seen the direction of the market, that market is in uptrend, and we have seen this is the last break market gave us on weekly time frame. This is the last break of structure, and let's move to daily time frame. What we just need to do on daily time frame is just our swing high and our swing low. This is our major swing high here. This is our major swing low here, and this is our what minor swing low here. And this is what we are having on daily time frame, and you can see what daily time frame is giving us. This is an uptrend market. This is an uptrend market. So since we have seen what daily time frame is giving us and we have seen what is happening, so let's quickly move to the for my own view. This from weekly time frame. This is market structure shift from weekly time frame. This is market structure shift, and this is all what we are having here. This is the demand zone that give us this other block. So this is what we are having. This is what we are having. So let's move to 4 hour time frame. Let's see what 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. And if you try to redefine the market, probably market may come to this daily, because this is where the buyer started this is where the buyer started giving us uptrend. But let's just read the trend from 4 hours time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. This is what we are having on 4 hour time frame. From here, this is the last break of structure for 4 hour time frame. And this is change of character. This is change of character. No, this is break of structure. And this is change of character. And this is what we are having. We are having break of structure here. And this is another break of structure over here. You can see the break of structure. This is another break of structure over here. And this is what we are having. If you see that this I will say this is what my market structure shift. But what market is doing, market structure is shifting. We see liquidity shift again here. This is a liquidity shift market. This is a demand that market is in this demand zone. So let's just be focused everywhere because this as for me, this is the main demand. This is the main demand here. This is the main demand here. And this is what we are having. So this is the supply that pushes the market, and this is the minor supply that pushes the market down, which means this place has stopped to our resistance. Let's see if market is going to break it. And these are break of structure. I'm still expecting the buy, seriously. I'm still expecting the buy because this is on liquidity sweeps. I'm still expecting the buy. I'm still expecting the buy, seriously. I'm still expecting the buy. These are liquidity sweeps. So let's move to this is where the minor supply we are expecting the market to. This is where the next supply we are expecting the market to be mitigated. But let's see how we can see the buy. But I'm still buying on this market. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Since you have seen what the market is giving us, this is what the market is giving us. Market is interested. Now, so this is what we are expecting the market to do. We are still on 1 hour time frame. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see if you can see opportunity on 1 hour time frame. On 1 hour time frame, this is what we are seeing on 1 hour time frame. But when if you want to buy this market, let's be expecting the market to break this other block, yeah. Don't need to break a block. No, this resistance here because this is a what? This is a what? Break of structure. This is break of structure over here. So let's be expecting the market. The market is going to break that supply and give us an uptrend market. So I'm expecting the market. But what market is doing now, but I'm still expecting the market to give us uptrend because the main trend is uptrend, seriously. This is an uptrend market, and as for me, this is a liquidity swept again. This is a liquidity swept again. This is a liquidity swept. I'm still expecting an uptrend. I'm still expecting an uptrend, and this is what we are expecting. Let's see if we can see market structure shift. We can see. Let's move to 15-minute time frame. Let's see if we can see any opportunity or 15-minute time frame. If you want to see this opportunity, you just need to come here. You just need to come here. Sorry, this is an opportunity. Market mitigate that FEG before we continue the uptrend again. Sorry. Hey! Oh, what did you guys do now? So I'm expecting the buy from here. Our stop loss will be below here. So from this FEG, I'm expecting the buy because market is in uptrend. Seriously, I'm expecting the buy from uptrend. So this is what I'm expecting. This is what I'm expecting. Let's be expecting the buy again, and we are expecting the TP to be here. This is our first TP before market broken it and go up. So this is what we are having on gold. So let's move to silver. Let's see what silver has for us. From monthly time frame, these are our swing. These are our key level here, key level here, key level here. And let's move to weekly time frame. These are this is what we are having on this is what we are having on what on key level. You can see these are key level, weekly key level here, weekly key level here, and we still have key level by here. And you can see market is giving us uptrend because from monthly time frame you can see the uptrend. So let's just continue the uptrend from weekly time frame. This is our key level, and this all our key level over here. Let's move to daily time frame. This is our daily time frame. This is our swing high, and these are major swing low here, and these are what minor swing low over here. This is what we are having inside the trend, and you can see all this what market is giving us. Let's move to 4 hour time frame and see what 4 hour time frame is trying to give us. For 4 hour time frame, this is what we are having on for 4 hour time frame. This is the last break of structural market gave us for 4 hour time frame. This is the change of character. This is break of structure. This is break of structure also, and this is break of structure also. This is break of structure, break of structure, break of structure, change of character, and break of structure over here. This is all we are having, and this is where the market is. This is our demand, and you can see this is the last break of structure market gave us here. This is the last break of structure market gave us here, and this is our major demand. This is where we are expecting the market to push it up again. And unfortunately, these are other block. Market may mitigate this other block because it has FEG and continue the market upward. But let's just be patient and see where the market is. This is all we are having. And what move this? This is the supply. This is the supply that pushes the market down. And this is the next supply we are expecting the market to mitigate it again. This is our assist. This is where we are moving away from the market. If the market mitigated this phase, and if market does not go in our favor, definitely market is coming back. Yeah, market is market is coming back over there. Sorry for that. And this is what all we I'm seeing. This is all what I'm seeing. I'm still buying I'm still buying the market on silver. Let's see what we have for 1 hour time frame. This is what we have for 1 hour time frame. Let's just be expecting the market to mitigate this other block before we can see a push to uptrend. Let's see. On 1 hour time frame, this is what we are having on 1 hour time frame. This is the last break of structure on 1 hour time frame, and this is what the market is. So let's be expecting the market to put down before we can see an option. Let's see what we have on 15-minute time frame. So I'm still expecting the market to come down before I can see a huge uptrend. So let's be expecting the market here before we can see a huge uptrend. That is it. So let's see what we have on US30. Let's see what we have on US30. For monthly time frame, this is our key level here, our key level over here, our key level here, our key level over here. Let's move to weekly time frame. This is weekly time frame, and this is what we are having. This is our swing high, this is our swing low, and you can see market has studied this swing high. Market has studied the swing and the key level here. This is where the market is. The market has studied the key level. So let's move to daily time frame. Let's plot our swing high and our swing low. This is our swing high, and this is our swing low here. And you can see from daily time frame we are having break of structure here. Change of character. Not going to change character. We have change of character here, and you can see this is break of structure and change of character. But market is in uptrend. We are still looking for uptrend market, and you can see this is the last break of structure market gave us here. Break of structure over here, and this is the demand over here. This is demand here. Mm-mm. This is demand over here, and this is liquidity here. So there, I'm still expecting the uptrend seriously. If market can swap daily to liquidity, this is what this is the recent trend I'm expecting the market. I'm still expecting the uptrend from here because this place has already turned to support. You can see it has already turned to support. You can see it has already turned to support here. But this demand give us break of support. So this is demand. Definitely the market is coming back here. When coming back here and and give us another uptrend. Let's see if this demand can break the structure before we can see a wish downtrend. So let's move to 4 hour time frame. Let's see what we have on 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. As for me, if we can redefine the 4 hour time frame, this is where the break of structure is. And what I'm seeing here, I'm seeing resistance over here. This is a resistance market because market did not give us any break with full body candle. You can see market does not break this high with full body candle. It's just breaking it with weak candle. So definitely that is our what that is our this is our resistance, and this is the where we are expecting the market to mitigate it before we can see a huge uptrend. But our stop loss will be below here. Our stop loss will be below here for better what for better so that if market want to do anything, we just it will not take us out before we can take us in. But let's just see what market is doing. This is what market is doing over here. And this is a liquidity. As for me, this is an inducement to liquidity. So I'm expecting the market to come back here before I can see a huge uptrend. So let's focus if market can come back here before I can see a huge uptrend. Seriously, I'm still expecting an uptrend market. I'm still expecting an uptrend market from the demand zone. We can see demand is giving us an uptrend, and let's just be expecting the uptrend. But before we can take the uptrend, we guys be focused. We guys see any opportunity before we can take the uptrend. So let's move to the downtrend because market is giving us our downtrend market. This is what market is giving us. It's giving us downtrend markets. We don't know where the market is coming. We don't know where there's no FEG here. So there's FEG here. If probably the market is coming back here, there's opportunity over here. Let's see if market is coming back here. There is what other block over there because it has FEG here. This is where the FEG is safe. This is FEG I'm expecting the market. So let's focus on the FEG. So this is the FEG I'm expecting the market. So that other block does not have FEG. So let's focus on this FEG. If we can see an uptrend from here, if we can see an uptrend from here, so it will it will be okay for us. So let's see if we can see a huge uptrend from here. Huge downtrend, sorry. Let's see if we can see a downtrend from here before we can see a uptrend seriously. Let's see if the market is coming back to mitigate this FEG before we can see a downtrend. Let's see if the SVG there's no space here, but market want to retest it before we can see a huge downtrend. So let's see if the market is going to respect it. This 1 hour FEG. This is the FEG I'm expecting on 1 hour. On 15-minute time frame, let's see 15-minute time frame. Let's see what we are having on 15-minute time frame itself. So let's be focused here. Let's see if the opportunity is going to trigger us in. Let's see if the opportunity is going to. So this is what we are saying. I'm selling before we can buy. Let's move to GU. Let's see what GU is having for us. GU is giving us this type of downtrend. You can see. But for monthly time frame, so this is what we are seeing on monthly time frame. These are our key level on monthly time frame. These are our key level also here. This is our key level here. This is our key level over here. And this is what we are seeing. You can see for monthly time frame, market is giving us uptrend, but this is where we are expecting the market to mitigate before you can see which downtrend. So let's see what we are having. Let's see what we are having on weekly time frame. This is weekly time frame. This is our key level here. These are our recent key level. You can see multiple rejection. This is also key level again. And these are what my main key level here. So this is what we are seeing in the market, and you can see what the trend is giving us. And this is what this is what we are seeing. This is what we are seeing from a weekly time frame. You can see the market is in uptrend. This is where the monthly key level I'm expecting the market to mitigate before anything. So let's move to daily time frame. Let's see what we have on daily time frame. This is daily time frame, and this is our last break of structure. You can see market is in uptrend. This is our last break of structure on monthly time frame, or weekly time frame, sorry, and this is our swing low, and this is our swing high. This is what we are expecting in the market. I'm still expecting the uptrend, but what I'm seeing now, sorry for that. What I'm seeing, so this is what you are having on GU. This is what you are having. This is our swing and this is our swing low. And this is the supply that is pushing the market down. You can see this is the supply that is pushing the market down. This is the supply that is pushing the market down on what on daily time frame. And this is the what internal break construction of the market giving us. You can see the internal break of structure the market is giving us. And this is the supply that is pushing the market down. So we got to be careful. But as for me, there is still this is a major demand. Definitely, if market is coming back to this major demand, this is the major demand we can buy the market seriously. So let's be expecting if the market can come to this major demand and continue the buy. Well, there is still FPG down here. So then we guys be patient seriously. We guys be patient on this market, and this will serve as liquidity. But let's move to analysis time frame, which is our 4 hour time frame. Let's see if we can still sell, if you can still sell the market. If you can still sell the market, let's see the opportunity to sell the market again. This is the last break of structure on what? On 4 hour time frame. You can see the last break of structure on 4 hour time frame. And this change of character. Let's see. This opportunity we see on one number two, we did not take this opportunity. So let's see if we can sell the market again. Let's sell the market again. On GU we are still selling on GU. But if you want to take this opportunity is two, you can see this place is two because this serve as supply here. This is our supply here. This is our supply. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see the since we have plotted our supply, so let's just move to 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, let's just define our trend. 1 hour time frame is our analysis time frame also, but let's redefine it. And this is the last break of structure we are seeing on 1 hour time frame. And this is the other block here. Let's move to 15-minute time frame. You can see this trend, or if you want to take this trend of 15-minute time frame, you just wait for market to break the structure before you can take this trend. Because what market is giving us downtrend. So we got see change of character from here before we can take this trend because market has showed us all those liquidity up here. So let's just see how we can sell the market from here. Let's move to EU. Let's see what EU has given us. For monthly time frame, this is our key level here. On monthly time frame, these are our key level here also on monthly time frame. And this is what we are expecting the market. Let's move to weekly time frame. This is weekly time frame. This is our key level over here. And this is our key level over here. And this is what is happening on weekly time frame. This is our key level. This is the last break construction on weekly time frame. This is the last break on this is our key level. But let's move to daily time frame. Let's see what daily time frame is giving us. This is daily time frame. This is the last break of structure on daily time frame. This is last break of structure on daily time frame. Time break of structure. And this is our swing low. And this is our swing high. You can see what market did. What market has sold this liquidity over here. Market has swept this liquidity over here. This liquidity has already been swept. So what we are having on daily time frame, we are having change of character here, and I'm still this the demand I'm expecting the market. If the market is coming to this is demand I'm expecting the market to push it up because I'm having a liquidity over here. I'm having a liquidity over there. So I'm still expecting the market to come back here before I can see or before I can buy the market over here. So let's move to 4 hour time frame. Let's see what 4 hour time frame is giving us. This is 4 hour time frame, and you can see what market is giving us. This is the last break of structural market giving us on 4 hour time frame, which means this is a what? This is a supply zone here, and this is a supply zone over here. So this supply zone, let's just see it as buy. So this is supply zone. We are still selling from that place. Seriously, that's the opportunity we are selling, because this is what market is giving us. You can see the market is giving us the type of trend. On daily time frame, this is the supply the market mitigated. So let's be expecting the downtrend. Seriously, I'm still expecting the market to come down before I can see a buy, because this is the one I'm buying. But now the market is giving us buy or sell. So we gotta be patient and wait for the market over here before we can see a huge dump. This is the trade I want to take. This trade I want to take it last week, but market does not trigger us swing. I don't know what happened. Market does not trigger me from this opportunity. Seriously. So let's just wait. Let's just use Fibonacci retracement. If we see 50% retrace, definitely we are taking the market to downtrend. So if we not see anything, so let's just be patient and see what the market has for us over here. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what 1 hour time frame is giving us. This is the 1 hour time frame. This is what the market is doing. But I will say this business has liquidity. Seriously, market may come over, may continue the upside trend. So let's move to daily time frame. So we got be patient. We got be patient on 50 on 1 hour time frame. The market is giving us the type of downtrend. You can see it's giving us the pipes of downtrend on 1 hour time frame. Let's move to 50-minute time frame. Let's go and see where we can sell on 50-minute time frame. This is where we can sell on 50-minute time frame. And you can see the 50-minute time frame. This is the other block 50-minute time frame expected, and this is the break of structure. And if you want to sell this market, you just wait for this market to give us change of character before we can sell. I'm still expecting the sell again. So let's just wait. The market give us change of character before we can sell the market. The market give me change of character from here. I'm selling the market seriously. No doubting. I'm selling the market. Or breaker block. If market give me breaker block or change of character, I'm selling the market. So I'm selling the market from here. Well, let's just wait for the confirmation. So let's move to UJ. This is what UJ is giving us. These are break of structure. You can see these are break of structure. So these are the key level here, key level over here. These are our key level on monthly time frame. Seriously, let's move to weekly time frame. Let's plot the weekly time frame. You can see market is giving us five of uptrend, but weekly time frame, these are key level here, and these are key level over here. You can see the key level over there. So this is what we are having. Let's move to daily time frame. These are major swing high here, and these are major swing low here. So this is the perfect way to buy the market again. And this is the last break of structure. All these are what? All these are liquidity. Inside liquidity, this is the supply the market gave us. So let's just wait if the market can come back to this supply before we can see which downtrend. This is 4 hour time frame. This is what we are having on 4 hour time frame. So I'm still expecting a huge downtrend from here. So let's see if the market can give us a huge downtrend, because all this one too are liquidity market is just giving. All this week are liquidity markets. Our liquidity market need to sweat before we can see a huge uptrend. And on daily time frame, this is where you can see this, because the FPG is here. Market already say FPG. So let's see if we can see which one. But let's see if we can see the Fibonacci adjustment. We can still continue buying from this market. Let's just be buying from this market, because the Fibonacci adjustment is telling us that market has situated 50%. So if you want to buy this market, this is where we if you want to buy if you want to buy EU, you can just buy EU, but the where to buy this market is here, because there's FEG over here. But let's move to 1 hour time frame to buy the recent trend on 1 hour time frame. If you want to buy this market, you can just wait on 4 hour time frame to buy this market. You just wait for the market to retest over here. So on 15-minute time frame, let's just go to 15-minute time to see where we can buy the market of share. There's no way to buy the market of share. You just need to join the market. But me, I'm not joining the market. Oh. But to buy the market, if the market breaking this high, definitely we are buying the market seriously. Because what market is giving is the vibe of what uptrend. Let us, if you want to buy the market, you can just continue buying the market. So let's move to GJ. For monthly time frame, this is our key level over here. This I can see multiple rejection key level. This is the key level turning point key level that market mitigated the multiple rejection here. Let's move to weekly time frame. This is weekly time frame. This is our swing high here. Our key level, sorry, our key level, our multiple rejection key level. Those are our key level over here on daily time frame. On weekly time frame, this is our swing high. This is our swing high, and this is our swing low. And this is the demand we are expecting the market to mitigate it before we can see a huge uptrend. And all these ones are these are last break of structure here. These are last break of structure here. And this serves as what? As liquidity market interest rate. I'm still expecting the market to sell this liquidity before you can see a huge trade, because markets on GJ markets respected liquidity very well. Market like to be sweating the liquidity very well before we can see a huge trade. So as for me, I'm seeing a liquidity trade from here. and market structure shifts from here. Let's move to 4 hours first to see the market very well. This is the 4 hours. This is what 4 hours is giving us. Market came back to this place. But all this one serve as what liquidity sweat for me because I'm still not understand this market. Because on daily time frame, the market is giving us downtrend. So we just follow daily downtrend. We just follow daily time frame trend because it's giving us downtrend. This is where the demand is. If we use Fibonacci retracement to see the retracement of the market, let's see. You can see market has retraced, but we gas you can see here market mitigated this liquidity continue the way about economy. It could not break the uptrend, come back again to mitigate this demand before it give us what uptrend market. This is what I'm looking for on daily time frame. This is what the market is giving us on 1 hour time frame. Let's see the recent trend on 1 hour time frame. As for me, this is a liquidity right here. The reason why I'm going to take the trade is because this is a key level here. This is a key level here, and this serve as liquidity over here. So I'm expecting downtrend from here. I'm expecting downtrend from there. So before we can buy, you can just join the buy. Let's move to 1 hour time frame to join the buy. If you want to join this buy, you can just come here. You can just come here because this is an opportunity for us to buy the market. You can just come here. Let's just see because we still have what liquidity option, liquidity at top, and you can just see option from here. This is what I'm seeing in the market. I'm buying the market from here, and our stop loss will be below here. Let's see if the opportunity is still valid for us. But we cannot say what the market because we do not control the market. We reacted to what market gave us. This is what the market gave us. So we got to react on it. So let's see on 50-minute time frame. This is the recent order block market gave us. But if you want to follow on 1 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, we are having a FUG over here. So let's follow it. Let's see if the market can mitigate it before we can see. But you guys see our confirmation before we put in the trade. So let's move to crypto. Let's see what crypto BTC and Ethereum is are for us. What you show now, kind now. So monthly time frame, this is what we have on monthly time frame. This is our key level. This is our key level. This is our key level. This is our key level here. And this is what we are. This is what we are having. This is our major key level. So as for me, I'm still expecting the buy on BTC. I'm still expecting the buy on BTC from daily time frame. This is what is happening from daily time frame. This is what the market is giving us. But it's better to wait for this demand to trigger us in because this is the last break of short market gave us on daily time frame. So let's wait for this demand. Let's move to 4 hour time frame. This is the opportunity we saw on BTC last week. You can see market just trigger us on this one ratio three. And I did not place this market because my account is not so strong for BTC. I'm boosting $14. So I gas find I gas find a pair that does not ask for so ask for volatility too much. This is what BTC is giving us. So I'm expecting the market to come back to this demand before I can say an uptrend. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. This is last break of structure. On 4 hour time frame, this is a liquidity set on 4 hour time frame self. You can just, if you want to buy this market again, you can just, if you want to sell this market again, you can sell this market again seriously. This is last break of structure. You can see the last break of structure, and this is demand because liquidity has already swept over here. So this is demand zone. So let's move to 1 hour time frame to redefine the opportunity. This is 1 hour time frame. On 4 hour time frame, this is a liquidity set. But let's move to 1 hour time frame. This is what 1 hour time frame is giving us. Let's see if markets can come to this demand. I'm still expecting another sell from here. So into this demand before I can see a which option again. Let's move to interior. You can see what Ethereum is trying to do. So for monthly time frame, this is what Ethereum is trying to do. These are key level here, key level right here. For weekly time frame, these are key level here. Those are our key levels, so we gotta be patient. So let's move to daily time frame. This is big of structure, but this is the main demand on daily time frame. This is the main demand on daily time frame. Let's move to 4 hour time frame. This you can see this is the market. This is the opportunity we saw on daily time frame. And I did not take this opportunity seriously. It's pay me and this is the second opportunity. I think this opportunity does not trigger us. This one does not this one does not trigger us in. So this is the demand that the market is. This is the demand that the market is. But let's see the next opportunity now. As for me, this is the next opportunity. You can see we are having break of structure here. And this is the FEG I'm having. I'm seeing a FEG over here. And this place has liquidity. I just deleted this. This is the break of structure market gave us, you can see. This is the break of structure market gave me. This is another break of structure. This is another break of structure, but let's just see this market from year to year. This is the red. This is the end. So let's expect the market to come back here before we can see a huge downtrend. Let's see if the market can come back here because there's FEG over here. And all this one is all as liquidity here. This is all as liquidity. And this FEG, if markets may mitigate this FEG before we can see a downtrend. We are coming to this demand again. So our stop loss will be below above here. So let's see if you can see which country again. On our time frame. So this is what I'm seeing. I'm seeing a liquidity over here also, but this a liquidity here because it has FEG. So let's see if market can come back here before you can see which downtrend again to this demand zone. So this is what I'm seeing today, trader. Let's be focused and let's be patient. I pray may this week be profitable for us, and may we be profitable in this trading journey in that skills we are doing. Peace and love and successful day ahead. Thanks.